Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're exploring the 5 best car vacuum cleaners of 2025, top picks tested. I've put each model through real-world cleaning tests to find the most powerful, portable, and easy-to-use options that can handle everything from deep-down dirt to crumbs and pet hair. Whether you want strong suction, versatile attachments, or long battery life, this guide will help you choose the perfect car vacuum to keep your vehicle spotless. Let's get started. On number 1 is the Black Plus Decker Dustbuster Advanced Clean is a cordless handheld vacuum that's ideal for quick cleanups around the home, car, and furniture. It delivers powerful suction for its size, making it strong enough to lift crumbs, dust, and pet hair effectively. The included pet brush attachment helps agitate and lift embedded hair from upholstery and stairs. Its lightweight and portable design makes it easy to grab and go without dealing with cords. The washable bowl and filter simplify maintenance and lower ongoing costs. Pros: strong suction for a handheld, effective pet hair tool, cordless convenience, portable and easy to use, and washable filter for reduced upkeep. Cons: limited runtime compared with larger vacuums, small dust bowl that needs frequent emptying, suction isn't as powerful as full-size models, and it's not suitable for whole-home deep cleaning. Some users find the battery life drops quickly in high-power mode. Overall, it's a dependable, easy-to-use handheld vacuum that excels at quick spot jobs and pet hair removal but is best used as a supplement to your main vacuum. On number 2 is the Fantic Fold V10 Apex Pivot Cordless Car Vacuum delivers very strong 17,000 pascal suction, making it excellent for lifting dust, crumbs, and pet hair from car interiors, stairs, upholstery, and floors. Its compact, cordless design makes it easy to use anywhere without being tethered to an outlet, and the smart LED display clearly shows battery level and suction mode. The included flexible hose and pet brush attachments expand its versatility, helping you reach tight areas and gently clean fabric or carpeted surfaces. In real-world use it feels lightweight yet powerful, and the suction holds up well even as the bin fills. Pros: extremely strong suction for a handheld, cordless and portable, smart LED display, useful attachments, flexible hose plus pet brush, and reliable performance on pet hair. Cons: battery life is moderate on high power modes, the dust bin is relatively small and needs frequent emptying, and the unit can be noisy at max suction. Attachments can feel a bit rigid in very tight spaces. Overall, it's a robust choice for car and home spot cleaning, especially for pet owners, but not a replacement for a full-size vacuum for heavy whole house cleaning. On number 3 is the Zarimi Cordless Handheld Car Vacuum Cleaner delivers impressive 50,000 pascal suction with a brushless motor, making it extremely effective at lifting dirt, debris, and stubborn pet hair from car seats, floors, upholstery, and stairs. Its cordless, rechargeable design gives you the freedom to clean your car or home without being tethered to an outlet. The dual battery system extends runtime significantly, letting you finish larger jobs without waiting to recharge. It comes with 6 versatile attachments, including crevice and brush tools, to tackle tight spaces and different surface types. In real-world use it feels powerful and responsive, with suction strength that outperforms many handheld competitors. Pros: extremely strong suction, brushless motor for efficiency and durability, 2 batteries for extended runtime, versatile 6-in-1 accessory set, and great performance on pet hair. Cons: the bin is relatively small, requiring frequent emptying during heavy cleanups, and the unit can be louder at peak power. The larger batteries add weight compared with basic handhelds, and the charger takes space in storage. Overall, it's a robust, high-suction handheld vacuum that's ideal for car interiors, pet owners, and quick spot cleaning, though not a full replacement for a full-size home vacuum. On number 4 is the Black Plus Decker Dustbuster 20V Hand Vacuum, BDH 2000L, is a cordless, rechargeable handheld vacuum that's great for quick cleanups around the house, car, stairs, and upholstery. Its 20V battery delivers powerful suction for its size, pulling up dust, crumbs, and pet hair with ease. The extendable crevice tool and flip-up brush make it versatile for tight areas, car interiors, and fabric surfaces. It comes with a charging base, so it's always ready to grab and go without hassle. In real-world use it feels lightweight and easy to maneuver, making everyday tasks less of a chore. Pros: strong suction for a handheld, versatile attachments, crevice plus flip-up brush, cordless convenience, easy to empty, and handy charging base. Cons: runtime is limited compared with larger models, the dust bowl fills quickly with heavy debris, and it's not designed for deep whole home cleaning. Suction can drop as the battery drains, and filters need regular cleaning to maintain performance. Overall, it's a reliable and practical handheld vacuum that excels at spot cleaning and car interiors, but not a replacement for a full-size vacuum for larger jobs. On number 5 is the Dyson Car Plus Boat Handheld Vacuum is a cordless and lightweight handheld designed for fast, convenient cleaning of cars, boats, stairs, and upholstery. With 115 AW of suction power and 2 power modes, it tackles dust, crumbs, and pet hair better than many small handhelds. The cordless design makes it easy to grab and use without dealing with cords or bulky machines. In real-world use it feels comfortable to hold and maneuver, especially in tight spaces and awkward angles. Pros: solid suction for its size, cordless convenience, lightweight and easy to handle, good for upholstery and vehicle interiors, and quick to grab for spot messes. Cons: suction is not as powerful as full-size vacuums, battery life drops in high-power mode, the dust bin is relatively small, and it's best suited for spot cleaning rather than whole-home deep cleans. Accessories are limited compared with bigger cordless models. Overall, it's a handy, well-built choice for quick cleanups in cars and boats, but not a replacement for a larger, more powerful vacuum for whole-home cleaning.